Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm sharing something very special and one of the most awaited additions to my craft room. Here is the SimonSaysStamps August 2021 card kit, my very first card kit. Today we will look at the unboxing of this beautiful, totally unforgettable card kit. This kit includes a wide variety of hand-selected coordinating supplies ranging from stamps to cardstock. Before we get started with the unboxing, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Stay tuned for some fun, interesting cards that I create using this kit in the future videos. Let's take a look at the kit. As we first open the box, we see a SimonSaysStamps mesh zipper bag, which we will see later in the video. It can store all the other components of the kit. I never knew that this part would be so exciting. I carefully removed the label and now just take a look at how many exciting things are there in this kit. If you have a sweet tooth like I do, you definitely can't miss the little lollipop that comes with every monthly kit. The very first thing that I see is the bag of googly eyes in different sizes. These can be used as simple backgrounds or on our little frogs. Next, we have a sheet of adhesive foam strips. These thin strips of foam adhesives can make it easy to make a shaker card or to give some dimensional effect to narrow borders. This bag of Trinity Frog Sprinkles are perfect for shaker cards. Take a look at those tiny pink and white flowers and the cute little frogs, along with some sprinkle bits. Next, we have a detailed and ultra-thick Pinpoint Starlet embossing folder to create some beautiful dimensional effects on our cards. There are two self-sealing A2 size envelopes, one in the SimonSaysStamps Soft Navy and the other in the SimonSaysStamps Lemon Chiffon. The self-sealing allows you to simply pull the seal and press close. This package contains the Fern Willard 6x6 single-sided custom paper pads. These beautiful patterns can be used to create a card background or use them as focal points for your cards. Now, take a look at this huge 6x8 inch SimonSaysStamps Totally Unforgettable clear stamp set. This stamp set coordinates perfectly with the Totally Unforgettable die set, which, well, is not included in the kit but can be bought separately. I love the cute and the adorable little frogs, and these beautiful sentiments will go well with so many of my other projects. The googly eyes provided in the kit will go well with these little frogs. Next, we have a 4x9 inch SimonSaysStamps Build a Frog Pond stencil. You can use sprays, inks or markers using this stencil. You can even stamp through the little gaps, add some clouds or some ripple borders to create interesting backgrounds and textures. The kit also comes with an 8.5 by 5.5 non-heat resistant acetate sheet. I plan to make some shaker cards using this along with the little Trinity Frog Sprinkles provided in the kit. Last but not the least, we have the 8.5 by 11 inch cardstocks, Soft Navy and Lemon Chiffon from SimonSaysStamps, the 110 lb Neenah Solar White cardstock, and the 65-pound Neenah Gamma Green cardstock. Here's a look at all the products included in the kit. We have cardstocks, envelopes, stamps, stencils, and many more little cute and adorable things that can be used for some fun projects. All these things can be easily stored away in the mesh bag provided with the kit. I hope you had fun watching the video today. This is my first card kit. Well, definitely not the last. Please hit the subscribe button for some interesting cards that I plan to create using this kit. Hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you have any ideas or suggestions for me. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.